We started this battle 1 year back, and we almost won the battle until the January or February of this year, when the number of cases were too low, less than 10,000 per day, and it suddenly started increasing. So there are a lot of factors which are contributing to this. Number one factor is definitely our carelessness on behalf of our Indian public, because we have become more careless, not following the COVID appropriate behavior. Number two is because of some of our festival season were coming after January, our testing were also decreased in some of the states. And that is one of the reasons, because after the festivals are over, we have increased our testing, the numbers are more coming up now. And then third is, of course, some mutant strains, they are circulating in the country. There is a factor known as R naught factor. And R naught factor is one infected person can infect how many persons in the chain. Now, initially this was around 2 to 3. Now it has become 4 to 5. That means almost 2 times of the previous virus. That's why we are getting so much of number of patients all across the country.
Because of so much of panic and all, the oxygen demand, the medicine demand, even the investigations, everything is now stake, because no one was well prepared for this, that this will be happening. Regarding oxygen and all, yes, problem is there to some extent, but it is not that which cannot be managed. But if the things can be used more judicially, because in the present scenario, there are patients in the hospital who are not requiring oxygen also, and they can be managed at home, but because of this panic and all, they are in hospital, and the people who really require the hospital bed and the oxygen are not getting that.
This is going to affect all sections of the country, whether they are lower socioeconomic strata, middle or high socioeconomic strata. But of course, the lower socioeconomic strata will be affected the most, because their economical activities will be affected. Definitely, it's a challenging task for our lower socioeconomic strata people, but I am very hopeful the coordination between the center and state will not see the same scenario which we saw last year, when we saw a lot of our immigrant workers moving from one place to other, not only putting their lives at stake, putting the other persons at stake where they are going, and they also lost their job, their food, everything. So I think that should not happen this time. I think government is very, very dedicated to that.